Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to upload multiple photos and create an album in Microsoft OneDrive. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your OneDrive. So I'm going to click on here to open my OneDrive. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on upload. Then you can select as many as possible photo that you want to upload and create folder for. So just tap, continue to tap and select the photo one after the other, just like so. And I'm selecting about 23 photo right. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on select right here. So by the time I refresh, the photo will be available in my gallery right here, just like what you see. So the more you refresh, the more the photo is going to be available in your gallery. So just like so. Now let's see how we can create an album for the photo. Next thing we want to do is to go to album right here. Now the next thing we want to do is to click on this plus sign right here. And the next thing we want to do is to simply click on album. Then we can name the album. And the next thing we want to do is to simply click on OK. So after creating an album, let's see how we can add the photo uploaded into the album. For us to do that, we need to simply click on Add Photo. Then we have all the photo right here. Next thing we want to do is to click and hold down. Then we make sure we select everything one after the other. So having selected all the photo, next thing we want to do is to simply click on Add right here. And all the photo will be imported into the folder right here in the album, just like what you see right here. So you can see them right here. Then by the time we go back to our album, we have all the items right here, which is 16 items in the album. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply upload multiple photos and how you can create an album in Microsoft OneDrive. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.